Ever wanted to change your Facebook profile picture without making a big announcement to everyone? I have got you covered. It's super easy. Let's do it together. But before starting the video, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to change Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, open the Facebook app on your screen. Easy enough, right? Tap on the little profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on your current profile picture again. A menu should pop up. Choose the option to update your profile picture. Here's the fun part. Upload a picture you like, whether it's a cute selfie, your pet, or even your favorite meme. Whatever works for you. Step is crucial. At the bottom of the update screen, you will find an option labeled Share your update to the newsfeed. By default, this option is enabled, indicated by a blue check mark. Tap on the check mark to disable it, ensuring that your profile picture update will not appear in your friend's newsfeed. Now just hit the save at the top right. Your new profile picture is live, but no one is getting notified unless they go on your profile. That's it. Super quick, super easy, and no unnecessary attention. Now go ahead and update the picture you like. So this is how to change Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.